the wheel spacers weaken the handling on the Land Rover Discovery. Many people want to know if installing wheel spacers will negatively impact the Land Rover Discovery incredible handling and ride quality. The good news is that installing properly fitting, high-quality wheel spacers on your Land Rover Discovery will improve the handling, ride comfort, or performance. That's why Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers don't cause issues. As long as the wheel spacer matches your Land Rover Discovery bolt pattern and hub bolt, it will position the wheels precisely where they need to be without disrupting alignment. Reputable wheel spacer manufacturers pay close attention to these specifications. Improperly installed spacers can throw off your wheel balance, leading to vibration in the steering wheels and chassis. Half-century quality Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers can maintain proper balance. Installed half-century Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers are designed with a half-century in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the leg nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These wheel spacers allow the wheel to support this Land Rover Discovery weight better and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing the minimum chance of vibration. BONOSS Land Rover Discovery wheel spacer has a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Land Rover Discovery wheel spacer can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Besides, the bloxsport active cooling Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and increasing the safety. Overall, high-quality Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers properly installed have little effect on ride quality for most daily driving. As always, quality Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers will enhance ride quality. As always, quality Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers will enhance the ride quality.